Okay, so I finally got here my Apple Watch 6. I just wanted to do a really quick unboxing of it. And this is actually my first Apple Watch since the Apple Watch Series 1, which my wife and I both got one. This is my wife's in rose gold. It stopped working after less than a year. It stopped working. Mine actually is still working, but it just needed an upgrade. So here it is, the Series 6. I'm just going to open it really quick. I did the pre-order the day after they announced it, and it got here this morning. So let's see what it looks like. Mine is the 44 millimeter space gray with the Nike band, the Nike edition. Nice packaging. And so there's two boxes. The first one's going to have the watch. The second one's going to have the band. So let's open the watch really quick. Trying to do this with one hand. There we go. Designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. Cool. So here's the actual watch in a little cardboard case, 44 millimeter. Let me slide this out. Has a lot more weight to it than the Series 1. Here's the Series 1. You can see there's definitely, it's thicker, bigger screen obviously. A lot shinier from the back. So there's that. Let me pull out, let's see what else is in here. Charging cable. Pretty basic. Let me pull out the band. Alright, so here is the band, instructions on how to connect it. It looks like there's two different sizes. Nike logo on it. Alright, so I'll set this up and then we'll give you a little tour of what it does. Nice.